Pakistan International Airlines (PIA) has announced to ground at least 150 pilots who are suspected to have dubious flying licenses. The airline's decision came after the provisional inquiry report held the pilots responsible for causing the PIA plane crash in Karachi on May 22. While presenting the plane crash inquiry report, Pakistan's Minister for Aviation Ghulam Sarwar Khan had revealed in the National Assembly on Wednesday that around 40% of the active commercial pilots in the country hold fake flying licenses. His announcement has created quite a stir in the country as people raised questions about the safety of passengers traveling on the national carrier and other private Pakistani airlines. Supreme Court takes notice. Taking notice of the report about pilots with fake licenses, the Supreme Court of Pakistan on Thursday has asked report from the Pakistan Civil Aviation Authority. Pakistan Chief Justice Gulzar Ahmad summoned a reply from the Director General of the Civil Aviation Authority within 2 weeks. He said that he wanted to know how the fake flying licenses are issued and what action is being taken against the people who issue them. Putting passengers' lives at risk is a major crime, said Justice Ahmad. He has also summoned the heads of PIA and private airlines including Air Blue and Serene Air at next hearing. They have been told to submit reports verifying the license. Meanwhile, a PIA spokesperson Abdullah Hafiz confirmed that around 150 pilots are being grounded. He said the management has written to the Civil Aviation Authority to provide the list of other licenses found to be dubious, and all of them will be indefinitely grounded pending inquiries against them, reported Dawn. Those found at fault will be terminated from service after following a due process, he said. PIA acknowledges inquiry report. Meanwhile, the PIA has also acknowledged the provisional inquiry report of the Karachi plane crash that left 97 people dead, saying that the airline would ground all pilots with dubious licenses. PIA acknowledges the AAB report and have already taken measures learning from it. An independent flight data monitoring setup established to monitor and analyze all flights. All pilots with dubious licenses will be grounded. Safety is more important than any commercial interest, PIA tweeted hours after the startling inquiry report was made public by the aviation minister.